Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I'm going to walk through a new topic, and the topic is the best e-commerce platform in 2025. And in this video I'm going to talk about the pros and cons about all the website I already use about, because I have basic knowledge, or I can say I am enough knowledgeable about platform where I can or we can create website. Let's talk about it. If you are planning to launch or upgrade your online store in 2025, choosing the right e-commerce platform is one of the most important decisions you will make. So with so many options out there, so from Shopify and Wix to big e-commerce, then WooCommerce, and even budget-friendly builders like Hostinger, and also it is easy to feel overwhelmed. So in this guide we will break down the best e-commerce platform of 2025, highlight their pros, cons, pricing, and who they are actually best for. Whether you are a beginner, a creative, or a fast scaling business, this step-by-step comparison will help you make the smarter choice for your store. So let's dive in and find the perfect platform for you. So first of all, I will start my video with Shopify store. So we already have a Shopify store. In here you can see this is our Shopify panel where I can start my online business over there. You can see they are giving us 3 days plan. So let's create an account over that place and go to the dashboard panel. So now as you can see, we are on our Shopify dashboard. This is our Shopify, this is our website. As you can see, this will be our intro interface. This is our product. So let's talk about it. Shopify is best for all-in-one e-commerce with app integration and scalability. So you can see we have option here in the left corner like apps, online store, we can create page. We have also analytics marketing tools over Shopify. So if I talk about the pros about Shopify, then I will definitely mention that Shopify is beginner friendly tool. Like it provides beginner friendly interface, so anyone who does not have any knowledge about website creation, he or she can easily manage to work on Shopify. And like Shopify provide ton of themes and apps. Like if you go over here and you can see these themes options, so here you can easily find out various like bunch of themes you can integrate with your store. Then second one is apps. So here we can have various apps access. Like you can see if you needed any apps in your Shopify store, you are allowed to install it from the Shopify app store. So these are the pros. And the second one will be it has, like I need to mention it, it has powerful backend with inventory and shipping tools. So you can see we have finance option, we have analytics options, we have marketing tools over there. So these are really powerful backend inventory. Also we have shipping tools. So you need to explore further more to make it as fast as possible. The second one, like last one, is it is fast, secure hosting. So if you can check your website speed, you can identify how much fast it is load always. So it is fast and really good. And if I talk about the cons, then I need to mention about Shopify that it has a charge. Like it is not free. If I go on the setting and go to the plan and then choose the plan, and here you can see the monthly fees and app cost add up here. So here you can see. Then second one will be less flexible for deep customization without code. So you don't integrate any custom code here. That is the main drawback here. But another thing will work for the price. It starts with $39 monthly, which is sometimes makes difficult for choose Shopify, but overall everything is fine. So let's go with Wix. Let's talk about Wix. If you go in the Wix platform, you can see this is our Wix platform, and we already created our Wix store. And here you can see Wix. So Wix is best for small stores, creative, and also it is really easy to edit. Like it has drag and drops editor. So who love drag and drop lovers, they can easily choose this one for their editing and other kind of thing. So here let's go on to the Wix and let's create your store. Just click over here. Once we click over here, it will take a while and it will redirect us to our dashboard panel. Here you can see we already created some website over Wix, so we can preview it. So let's talk about the pros. So first of all, it is really easy, like very easy and drag and drop editor. Let me give you the example. So go over here and select an edit site. Once I click over here, it will redirect me to the dashboard, and now I need to click over here this option. Now as you can see, the editor panel has been come to our desktop, where we can now easily edit our panel. So you need to wait a while. So finally you can see this is the option. If you want to add any section, you can see it, like add elements again. Now you can see the drag and drop builder. You need to drag it here. So it is really beginner friendly, so that's why it is really easy. Second one is they have like lots of templates. They provide beautiful templates on Wix, so it makes your website more engaging. So in this case it is really great. And last, that is built-in e-commerce feature. No code needed. Like already I mentioned, who does not know anything, literally nothing knowledge about coding, he can start his business with Wix. That is the pros again. And if I talk about cons, then I need to mention that not ideal for large inventory or complex store. This is the main drawback, but you can use as a simple website or simple business. Even it has limited backend scalability. Like you are not allowed to scale your business as big as possible. So this is the problem. And another problem is it is also not free. They give you like 14 days trial, but after the 14 days you need to be purchased their plan. So that is the main thing. But Wix is overall good for small business and small website. So let's dive into the next one, that will be BigCommerce. BigCommerce is literally popular among all the e-commerce platform. Here you can see like it is best for growing business needing built-in feature without extra app. Then this BigCommerce is perfect for you. Let's see the pricing first of all. So you can see scalable plan, no additional transaction fee. Also you can view all the thing. If you need it, you can explore one by one each parts, then you will get a idea about this. You can ask for demo here. So you can see, let's fulfill everything and then create an account over that place. So if I talk about the like BigCommerce, then I will say the pros. They are never charge any, like I can say, fees on transaction. This is the great thing. Like you can see over here, once you click over here pricing, so you can see no additional transaction fee, like 0%. Second one is strong built-in SEO and product tools. So you can easily do your SEO on your product and you can rank your website by using these SEO tools. So it makes your work so much easy on SEO. Then you have multi-channel selling option like Amazon, eBay and Meta. This is the really advantage for BigCommerce. Again, the cons, if I say, on the other hand, if I say about cons, then I will definitely mention that learning curve is steeper than Shopify. That is the drawback. And they charge annual sales cash before post plan upgrade. Another thing is another obstacle for newcomers or beginners. So they also charge, like they start from $39 per month. So it would be a big chances to get discouraged to who are starting new business. That is the main drawback. So let's talk about next page, that will be Hostinger. Hostinger is a hosting plan where we can purchase domain and hosting. So it is a budget friendly e-commerce with AI tools and fast setup. So if I talk about its pros, then I need to mention that it is really affordable, like very affordable. You can see their premium plan, their most popular business plan, cloud startup plan. So it is AI based store builder. Like Hostinger has AI based store builder where you can click by one click you can easily create whole website. Again, the hosting performance is really fast. It is totally proved by many company, and you can see they are providing this kind of features on your hosting. Also, every company has pros and cons. Similarly, Hostinger has some cons, that is limited third-party integration. That is the main drawback on it. Also, there have some other drawback, that is less robust for scaling compared to Shopify. Like Shopify is made for e-commerce, so you can easily scale your business on Shopify, whereas you are not allowed to scale your business on Hostinger by using Hostinger platform. So it's I think it is overall it's good, but it's totally depend on your plan, on your business mindset. Again, let's go on to the WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a platform which is integrated with WordPress. That is the thing. So you like WooCommerce is based for you have full control, content and store develops. So you can do it on your own. Again, let's talk about the pros. Then I will definitely say that pros it will be that WooCommerce is totally free plugin. You have total control over customization on WooCommerce, and then you are able to integrate with different platforms. You can see SiteGround, Hostinger, WordPress VIP, Presscable, WordPress.com, even Bluehost. So you can do it which is you find out trusted. So again, that is great for content driven stores. This is really great. You need to be understand. Then if I say about cons, then I need to mention that require hosting and setup. Without hosting and setup, you are not allowed to use WooCommerce. That is the main drawback. And second is not beginner friendly. Without tech skill, you are not allowed to use the WooCommerce platform. WooCommerce need to be basic knowledge to using this platform. So this is literally free, but hosting themes plugin costs extra, but overall it's usable. Second, let's talk about Squarespace. It is one of the famous platform over website creation. So in here you can see we are allowed to create beautiful product display. It is ideal for photographers and artists, and it is like really significant with creation platform. Because of that reason, let's talk about the pros. That will be they provide gorgeous template. Like you can see, if I click over here get started, then I need to be follow. Here you can see online store platform. If I see the portfolio and click on here, like their portfolio, their template are really awesome. Second, built-in e-commerce and marketing tools. If you visit to the Squarespace dashboard, then you are allowed to see that there have some various like bunch of tools which is really important for e-commerce platform. Let's go to the dashboard panel, click over here and account dashboard. Once I click over here, we can see we already have an website. I'm going to click on here, then click on your site title. Then I will try to visit on dashboard. So here you can see we have option like finance, analytics, then contact, email campaign, also invoicing, donation, scheduling, many more. So these are really awesome. Like it has built-in e-commerce and marketing tools which will help you throughout your business, and again great for simple store, like small store. So you can see the interface looks really nice. And then if I talk about the cons, then I need to say that will be less powerful inventory and backend tools. Like I have less less permission to work on backend, then fewer integration than Shopify or WooCommerce. Shopify and WooCommerce is far better than Squarespace because of Shopify has apps by default, apps option, where we can integrate like tons of apps for our users, whereas WooCommerce has the similar thing to integrate apps on WordPress. So also the main thing for Squarespace is it is premium plan. It give you 3 or 4 days free trial, then they will charge you for monthly plan that will be $27, and I can say it will be overall okay. If you give you the comparison summary, then I will say that Shopify is best for all-in-one growth, and it is easy, powerful, and scalable. And second, if I talk about Wix, then it is best for simple and visual store, and it has drag and drop design flexibility. And if I talk about BigCommerce, then it is mid-large business, like it is really good for mid and large business, and it has built-in feature multi-channel option. Second, or I will say about Hostinger, it is budget friendly and it has AI stores, and it is really cheap and fast setup. Second, if I talk about WooCommerce, then I will say custom and blog store, and it has like it give you or allow you full control over everything. Then last is Squarespace. They provide like their visualization store fonts is really significant than compared to other platform, and they provide stunning templates. So that is the thing I try my best to give you on all the topic in a summary. So if I give you the final recommendation, then I will say if you are just starting, then go with Wix or Hostinger. If you needed to scale or apps, then go with Shopify. If you want full control, then you need to go with WooCommerce. If you want to selling service or art, then Squarespace will be or might be a perfect choice for you. Then if you have a growing fast business, then BigCommerce is by default choice for you. I hope this video helped you. If you found out this video is really helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.